tragic incident at Nambihalli in the Kolar district, a man allegedly estranged and killed his wife on September 12th. Angered by this horrific act, the villagers attempted to lynch him. The police had to open fire to pacify the villagers, but everything went out of control. Nagesh and Radhama separated 5 years ago and their divorce petition is still pending in the court. The accused Nagesh had been pressurizing Radhama to withdraw the divorce petition to avoid paying her maintenance because he was in financial difficulties. Radhama declined as she was caring for their 5-year-old son. Nagesh reached Radhama's shop in her village and assaulted her with a machete. She died on the spot. Muniyappa, her father, was also attacked when he intervened and is fighting for his life. Radhama's sister and another person were also injured. Nagesh later hid in the hotel as villagers armed with lethal weapons prepared to lynch him. He threatened to blow up the hotel's gas cylinders. To disperse the crowd, the police who arrived had to first use tear gas shells and then fire 5 rounds in the air. Nagesh attacked and injured 6 cops, prompting the police to open fire.